Word in Azerbaijani is like Nescafe. It has multiple meanings and you use single word. Because in Master Azerbaijani word of the day, we have NECə. NECə. NECə can mean how, in what way, in what condition, how about. Let's see some phrases to understand better. How to do. Asking about someone's state, that is, how are you yourself? Or how to do when you ask for a suggestion. Let's see. Necə etmək or eləmək. You can see both uses etmək, eləmək. They mean both things. How to do. This is how to do with the decisions that you're trying to make. Özün NECЭsən. How are you yourself? When you ask about how things are going and all that, and then you ask suddenly, Özün NECЭsən. What about you? How are you doing? And suggestion, necə etmək olar. That is how to do something. Let's use those in some sentences. Bu yeməyi necə bişirirsən? How do you cook this dish? Yemək, dish. Bişirirsən. Do you cook or you do cook? Now, let's break it apart. Bişmək, to get cooked. Something is cooking on the stove. You say bişir, bish, cook basically. That's imperative. Bişmek, to cook. Infinitive form. Bişir, something is cooking on the stove. Bişirir, someone is cooking it. Bişirirsen, you are cooking it. Since we have how, this one becomes a question sentence. Bu yemeği necə bişirirsən? I know, Azerbaijani full of suffixes, and I am exploring it deeper in my app. Stay tuned for it. And once ready, download it, please, so you can learn it better. Hava NECЭdir bugün? Did you notice something? Let's first translate. How's the weather today? See, the word was NECЭdir. How is? What did I say? Hava NECЭdir bugün? I dropped the R for smoother pronunciation. Bugün, we already know, that's today. Hava is air, we learned that too. Hava NECЭdir bugün? How's the weather today? That was my way of using necə in Azerbaijani sentences and phrases. I have one more use for you that I think it's easier and more fun way to retain the word. My phone is at 5%. Necə survived the day. All right, that was today's word. Next week, we are starting brand new topic with brand new 7 words. Make sure to come back to check it. Until then, you can also check out masterozerbaijani.com if you're interested in learning Azerbaijani in a much more fun way to understand it better. Until then, I'll see you tomorrow for a new set of words. Cheers.